Hi guys, welcome to another update video on Euro CHF. I think the last time I mentioned about Euro CHF, it probably hit a stop loss, but I am still bearish on this chart. Now the reason is overall trend is down on a daily time frame. We are on a downtrend, and we are seeing some sort of resistance over here, and this resistance is more like a double top, you could consider. And this was the neckline. It broke down from the neckline and it is retesting in this region. Now I've taken an entry on 15 minutes, so we'll slowly go down to a lower time frame and analyze the chart. So this is on a 1 hour time frame, and you can see that there's a trend line that is coming up, and the price has been constantly in this region, right? So now based on some theories over here, I've taken an entry. Again, we'll go down to a lower time frame. I've taken an entry at the top. Ideally you would wait for some breakdown or something like that, but I've taken somewhere over here itself. Now why did I take over there? I'll just show it to you. Let's move on to a lower time frame. This is the 15-minute time frame. Now you can see that this area was very important, right? Over here there were many resistance. This could be basically considered a resistance, and what happened over here was it went up and the price again dropped back down. How I look at it is basically there were buy stops over here, and a lot of people would have placed their stop losses over here who went short. Now when this move happened, all the retailers would have thought, okay, the resistance is broken, let's go and buy. And that's what most people would have done. And the price went up and then it started falling down. And this is my strategy. I prefer taking entries when the price goes, takes all the stop losses and then comes down, and then it gives a return opportunity. So we saw that the price fell down, and this candle was very strong. It indicated strong bearishness, and this, if I change this chart to a line chart, you can see the higher highs and higher lows very clearly over here. Now this was the most important low over here, right? So it broke out, came down, and then this low was broken. So it is a confirmation of a bearish trend, and I have shorted somewhere over here. Now why did I short over here? I'll just take you to a lower time frame again. Let me just quickly change this to a candles chart, and yeah. So what I look for is basically a fair value gap. Now this was the candle that broke down the previous low, and what I look for here is a fair value gap, right? So what is a fair value gap? Again, let me just show it to you. So if this was the main candle, just go to the low of the previous candle and the high of the next candle, right? So the gap between this is known as the fair value gap, right? So I have shorted somewhere over here in this region, and before shorting, again, that is another confirmation that I have taken. So let me just go to a lower time frame, 5 minutes. Okay, so this is the candle, and the additional confirmation that I took was I marked a Fibonacci retracement, right? So this is the high, this is the low, and 0.618 level is my sweet spot, right? So I have shorted exactly over here, and my stop loss is above this big candle over here, right? So this is what the trade logic looks like. And is it going to hit my target or is it going to hit my stop loss? I don't know, but I've just taken the trade now, and this is the system that I've been following, and it's been working brilliantly so far. And let's see how it goes. I mean, so far you can see that it is going in my direction, but you never know. It could just be a retracement, and then it might go up and hit your stop loss as well. So this was the trade that I've taken right now. I'll be updating what happens on this trade. Alright guys, so a quick update on the trade which we took yesterday. It actually didn't go and hit our target or stop loss immediately. It is still in place, and yeah, so we saw that we entered somewhere over here, and initially it went in our direction, then it went up, and it didn't close above this candle. So this was our main candle, and above this is where we've placed our stop loss. So yeah, the price went up and then came down, and then now it is forming a bearish structure again. Now I have booked some of my positions below this low, so somewhere over here, and then you saw that the market go up, and then again it came down over here, and now I've moved my stop loss to entry, and some more positions will be booked below this low, and the final target is somewhere over here. So yeah, let's see how that goes, if it's going to go and hit our full target or if it is just going to stay over here. So now there's no more risk involved in this trade. And yeah, so this was basically the logic and the update on the trade. So if you liked this analysis, and if you understood how I take my trades, and if you understood this strategy, you could let me know by hitting the thumbs up or maybe dropping a comment below. And if there's something specific that you want to know about trading, maybe risk management or position sizing or any of those things, then again, let me know in the comments so that I can make a specific video on that. So that's it for this video, guys. Take care, trade safe, and see you in the next video. Bye.